The Newmar Dutch Star 2026 represents a new chapter in premium motorhome design. It continues Newmar's long-standing reputation for quality and innovation. This coach is built for travelers who demand both comfort and performance. From highways to long cross-country journeys, it delivers reliability. Every detail reflects a focus on luxury living on the road. It blends modern design with proven engineering excellence. This is more than a motorhome. It's a complete lifestyle upgrade. The exterior design immediately stands out with its bold and elegant look. Sleek body lines and premium paint finishes enhance its road presence. Full body paint options give it a high-end automotive feel. LED lighting adds both style and visibility during night travel. Large storage compartments provide practical functionality. The aerodynamic shape improves efficiency and driving stability. Overall, it delivers a perfect balance of beauty and utility. The exterior design immediately stands out with its bold and elegant look. Sleek body lines and premium paint finishes enhance its road presence. Full body paint options give it a high-end automotive feel. LED lighting adds both style and visibility during night travel. Large storage compartments provide practical functionality. The aerodynamic shape improves efficiency and driving stability. Overall, it delivers a perfect balance of beauty and utility. Under the hood, the coach is powered by a strong diesel engine. It delivers smooth acceleration even on long highway drives. The chassis is designed for stability and control. Advanced suspension systems improve ride comfort significantly. Handling is precise, making it easier to drive a large vehicle. It also supports heavy towing capacity for extra convenience. This motorhome combines power with a refined driving experience. The Newmar Dutch Star 2026 is packed with modern technology. A digital control system manages lighting, climate, and more. Touchscreen panels provide easy access to all major functions. Advanced driver assist features enhance safety on the road. Connectivity options keep you linked wherever you travel. Smart energy systems improve efficiency and battery usage. Technology here makes every journey smarter and easier. Comfort is a top priority in every aspect of this coach. Climate control systems maintain perfect interior temperature. Large water and fuel capacities support extended travel. Storage solutions are thoughtfully designed for convenience. Slide-out sections create extra living space when parked. Quiet insulation ensures a peaceful environment inside. It is built to make long journeys enjoyable and stress-free. The Newmar Dutch Star 2026 stands as a top-tier motorhome in its class. It offers a perfect mix of luxury, performance, and technology. Every feature is designed to enhance the travel experience. It competes strongly with the best luxury coaches available. For serious travelers, it delivers exceptional value. This coach redefines what modern motorhome living can be. It truly earns its place among the elite in 2026.